Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is Divya from Brain Preschool. Today in this video we will be learning how to make a cake using marigold biscuits.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Brain. Today we are going to make a Mari cake. For this we need marigold biscuit, milk, powdered sugar, coffee, maida, melted ghee, cocoa powder, a mixing bowl and a plate. First, we'll pour milk. I have taken here 1 cup of milk into the bowl. Then, we'll add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. We'll mix it. Then, we'll add coffee and maida. Coffee I have taken half teaspoon, and maida you can add corn flour also in place of maida. This is 2 tablespoons. Now we'll mix it properly. After mixing properly, we'll take this marigold biscuit. We'll dip in this one properly, and then we'll take out and we'll keep it in the plate. In this way, we'll take one by one all the marigold biscuits. We'll dip in this one and then we'll keep on the top of it. In this way we'll make a stack. Now we are done with the stacking of all the biscuits. Now we'll take this cocoa powder. This I have taken 1 tablespoon. In this I will mix 2 or 3 spoons of powdered sugar. We'll keep mixing. And then we'll add on ghee little by little and mix it. We have to make a chocolate paste. We can take melted butter also in place of ghee. Now we have to mix it properly. We'll do its coating. Just keep going like this. We have to make sure it will come to all the surface. Now we have to store it in the refrigerator for around 2 hours. After taking out from the refrigerator, after 2 hours, we'll cut it from the bottom and then we'll put it like this, and then we'll cut into slices diagonally. Our cake is ready.
If you like this video, try your recipe, share me your work, and do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification for regular updates. Thank you.